Hello everyone and welcome to this video where today I'm going to show you 5 ways to make $100 a day. Okay, now this video is a legit guide on how you can make $100 a day or even in a week if possible. Alright, so let's start this journey. So the first website that we're going to look through in order to get at least $100 per day is Google Opinion Rewards. Here you can see that I'm in the main web page of Google Opinion Rewards, and here it is saying that we can earn rewards for helping them improve their products and services. You can get this on the App Store and also on Google Play. And here you can see that what the survey app does. We complete short surveys while standing in a line or waiting in a subway or anywhere. Okay, then you will get rewarded with Google Play or PayPal credit for each one you complete. Topics include from opinion polls to hotel reviews to merchant satisfaction surveys, and they will always notify you when a survey is waiting. Now you might ask, how much will they give me after you complete your survey? Now that is actually very surprising. For each survey you complete, they will give you close to around $1. Okay, and to me that's an absolute win, because every day if you complete the surveys, you will get at least 20, 60, and even if you complete 100 surveys a day, you can get $100. So this is a very easy way in which you can just download this on your phone, and in this way you can easily make a lot of money. For example, here I completed 100 surveys, and then I have $109.50 in my. So this is how you basically make easy use of the surveys that are providing you and then earn money from them. All right, in the next part where we can get more money from is basically a website called. So this is the website from which you can create a lot of money from. Basically, they will tell you to get some images for them, and daily you will have some missions to choose from. Here you can see that they have a brief and launch, detail the tone, aesthetics, target audience, or any brand specifications of your desires content, and then they will review and select it. You have to watch your mission gallery populate with visual content made to your brief, browse, test, and select your winning assets, and then download your videos or photos, deploy your custom content in your marketing campaigns, and hit your KPIs and ROI. All right. So with this website, you can basically upload your images that you have clicked from the environment or anywhere they tell you to. And this is very good for people who have a good smartphone with a good camera, which might be a lot of you watching this video. And I hope this website helps you to create money. And Fope actually gives you around $30 to $20 per content. All right, so if they choose your content and then only take it from you, then you will get $20 to $30 with this website. All right, now the next website that we're going to go through is called Scribby, where Scribby is basically a website where you transcribe your videos. And basically this is the work of a transcriptionist. What they do is basically you see all these videos on YouTube, they will see your video and then they will make captions out of it. They'll bring out a script of what your video will say. Okay, so over here, after you go inside the website, this is what you will be greeted with, and here you can see that they will basically human verify your transcripts to complete all of your conference calls, YouTube videos, or anything that you desire. All right, now after that, you'll notice that here are the human transcription processes. Four-step process for consistent results. You have to transcribe your files, which will be split into many small parts and typed by your transcribers. After that, they will review it, or you will review it if you choose to do this, and add speaker tracking and time codes. then you will proofread it, parts are collated, and the combined transcript is proofread for consistency and accuracy. Then they will quality check it, and accuracy is assessed. The file alternates between proofreading and QC till accuracy is 100%. All right. And if you can do this job as a transcriber, I personally tell you that your English has to be pretty good. All right. And here you can join transcribe as a, you can join Scribby as a transcriber or transcriptionist. Here, first you have to sign up, set up your PayPal account, and then take the transcription test. Okay. After that, they will particularly take you if you're passing their test. Okay. And then you'll get around $70 to say $30 per video. Okay. So this is another way in which you can make $100 a day for your work. Okay. Now, the next website that we'll go through is called Udemy, and here you can basically make courses and then sell them online. Now here you can see that this is what you can make anything in their courses, including teaching business, how to do a particular skill that you're very good at, and then you can just go in the teach on Udemy option over here, and here you can see that they'll tell you to get started over here, come teach with us, become an instructor to change lives, including your own. And here you can see that you can teach in your own way, inspire your learners, and then get rewarded. And here it will tell you that you can expand your professional network, build your expertise, and earn money on each paid enrollment. And here you can see that there are 62 million students, which means that you can always find some people who are trying to buy your courses that you're trying to make online. Okay. And then how you will begin. First, you have to plan your curriculum. You start with your passion and knowledge, then choose a promising topic with the help of our marketplace insights tool. The way that you teach, what you bring to it is up to you, and they will help you also by offering you resources on how to create your first course, and our instructor dashboard and curriculum pages will help keep you organized. Second, you have to record your video using a basic tool like a smartphone or a DSLR camera and a good microphone, and you're ready to start. If you don't like being on camera, just capture your screen. Either way, if you don't like being on your camera, just capture your screen. Either way, we recommend 2 hours or more of video for a paid course. How they will help you. Your support team is available to help you throughout the process and provide feedback on test videos. Okay. And then afterwards, you will launch your course, where first they will gather your ratings and reviews by promoting your course to social media and your professional networks. Your course will be discoverable in the Udemy marketplace, where you earn revenue from each paid enrollment. Okay. So this is how you basically teach in Udemy or make courses in Udemy, and then you get money from it. And for each of their courses, they'll pay you up to $60 to $40. Okay. So this is another way in which you can actually earn money a day. All right. But the next website, which I'm going to show you, will be more easier to produce money from. So let's go ahead to the next website. In this website, voices.com, you'll be able to create voiceovers and then earn money from it. As you can see over here, we can go to their website, select find work, and then we will get this option. And here you can choose whyvoices.com, get started for free. After that, they will take you to this web page where you will learn how to do this. All right. So first, you will easily find the perfect voice actor of your project. Okay. So here we have to go to find work first, and then we can go to this web page where you can see that we can get paid for your unique skills. Now, mind you, you have to have a very good voice in English in order to do these voiceovers. Whether you're just starting out in a voiceover that you've been hustling for years, nothing beats down what you do while getting paid for it. All right. Better yet, with SurePay trademark, our free payment protection service, your funds are automatically sent to you when you have completed the work, which means you will never have to chase payment again. Okay, now here you can worry less and work more. With across 42,000 companies posting more than 5,000 jobs each month, the Voices Marketplace helps you focus finding work, okay, and more on getting paid to do it. As a free Voices member, you can be privately invited to jobs or upgrade to Voices Premium to be automatically matched to jobs. With a Voices Premium membership, you can also create your own projects for clients to buy and browse. Okay, now here you can also see they have focus on creative tasks and not mundane ones. With a free Voices profile, you can establish a professional online presence and upload your best work without having to build or purchase an expensive website. On Voices, tasks like sending invoices, collecting payments, and managing a website are taken care of, letting you focus on the work. Okay, and here you can see what's in demand while honing your craft. There's more to the Voices Marketplace than connecting with clients and work. As a Voices talent, you can gain unparalleled insight into the types of voices over jobs and creative skills clients are posting for, as well as access to tools and resources designed to help make you a better creative professional. All right, so this is what you will see in the voices.com webpage. Now, after that, if you're interested, just click on this create new profile and then select your email or continue with Google or Apple account. All right, so that is all for this video. I hope you've understood how to make $100 per day using this website. Thank you for watching this video.